Max Grosch. I'm a jazz violinist and jazz educator, as well as Yamaha artist, and I'll be coming to Portugal this year for the 2024 ESTA Conference. When practicing improvisation or creative elements of my playing, there's way more than just spending time with this instrument. There's the aspect of getting into flow, there's the aspect of creativity, there's the aspect of mastering improvisation and mastering mental freedom while you do this, as well as many other things, as groove and timing, etc., vocabulary. So I'll be presenting on something I'm calling holistic string practice, which means all this bag of things I use around practicing the instrument to develop this. I'd love to see you at the ESTA conference in Portugal, in Porto, and maybe we'll get to share some ideas.